Virtual University of Pakistan organized an international conference AAOU 2019. The chief guest of the first day of AAOU 2019 conference was the Honorable Minister of IT and Telecommunication, Dr. Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui. The Secretary IT and Telecommunication, Mr. Shoaib Ahmed Siddiqui, also accompanied him. AAOU 2019 Conference Chair Professor Dr. Masoor Elahi Babar welcomed the dignitaries and said,
Virtual University of Pakistan, being the leader in ICT-based education in Asia and around the world, has been honored to hold this 33rd Asian Association of Open Universities Conference 2019.
The co-chair AAOU 2019, Dr. Nasir Naveed said,
We are grateful to the Executive Committee and General Body members of the Asian Association of Open Universities for showing confidence in Pakistan, trusting the capabilities of Virtual University, and providing opportunity to host this 33rd conference of the series.
The Rector, Virtual University of Pakistan, Mr. Naeem Tariq, addressed the audience and said,
Today is a great honor for me to represent the Virtual University of Pakistan for hosting the 33rd AAOU Annual Conference.
Delegates from around the globe participated in AAOU 2019 conference from the countries like Sri Lanka, Thailand, Indonesia, South Korea, Canada, Philippines, China, Mauritania, Greece, Vietnam, Myanmar, Malaysia, Japan, Iran, Maldives, Turkey, and South Africa. In the plenary sessions, the keynote speakers said,
or the FIRE, or IR 4.0 to some, to reflect the digital configuration of this phenomenon.
In this presentation, I will first review the evolution of ODL and the different institutional models that have emerged over the years.
Those students who are studying online or virtually or blended kind of thing should be given opportunities to travel.
This is the time when I think we have to reflect and rethink about what we have been doing for decades and what are the meaning of open to us.
The learning objects which we actually align to give to the learners is dependent on the fact what are the learner's abilities in terms of his or her learning priorities, his or her background, his or her personal profiles.
In the technical session, research scholars from Pakistani universities also contributed significantly and presented their papers. The chief guest, Dr. Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui, Federal Minister for IT and Telecommunication, acknowledged the unprecedented contribution of Virtual University and said,
I would like to congratulate Virtual University of Pakistan for hosting the AAOU. The conference may establish cooperation among the researchers of Open University in Asia and around the world.
To promote the positive and soft image of Pakistan, a gala dinner organized for the participants. Traditional music performers and Sufi songs were the special center of attraction for delegates. The dignitaries from other countries also participated and enjoyed the evening. The third day of conference was graced by the presence of His Excellency President of Pakistan, Dr. Alvi, as the chief guest. He emphasized on the importance of adopting the latest global trends in education and said,
It is my pleasure to be here at the 33rd Annual Conference of the Asian Association of Open Universities, hosted by the Virtual University in Pakistan. We must first request some universities in the world to remove copyright on knowledge. Knowledge never had a copyright.